Hello brilliant mind, welcome to Student Arena, where we give you academic updates and make learning simple and fun. Today we'll be learning 20 common English idioms, their meaning and interpretation. Kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. And now let's dive in. At number 1, we have eat the sack, meaning to go to bed, meaning that's go to bed. Example, I'm so tired I will hit the sack now. At number 2, the ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision to make now. Example, I've done my part, the ball is now in your court. At number 3, we have a blessing in disguise, meaning something that looks bad but it later turned out good. Example, losing the job was a blessing in disguise. At number 4, burn the midnight oil, meaning to study or work late into the night. Example, she burned the midnight candle in order to pass her JAMB. At number 5, a piece of cake, meaning something very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake. At number 7, let the cat out of the basket, meaning reveal a secret by mistake. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. At number 8, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, meaning achieve 2 things at once. Example, by reading English stories, you can improve your vocabulary and also enjoy yourself. That means to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. At number 9, cut corners, meaning do something the easiest or cheapest way. Example, don't cut corners when building a house. At number 10, bite the bullet, face something difficult with courage. That is the meaning. To face something difficult with courage. Example, he had to bite the bullet and accept the punishment. He had to bite the bullet and accept the punishment. At number 11, once in a blue moon, meaning something that really happened. Example, we see him once in a blue moon. At number 12, hit the nail on the head, meaning describe exactly what is causing a problem. Example, you hit the nail on the head with your answer. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. At number 13, cry over a spilled milk, meaning waste time worrying about things that already happened. Example, don't cry over a spilled milk, move on. At number 14, actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. What people do matters more than what they say. That's the meaning. Example, he promised to help, but actions speak louder than words. At number 15, the early birds catches the worm, meaning success comes to those who prepare early. Example, wake up and study. The early bird catches the worm. At number 16, don't push all your eggs in one basket, meaning don't risk everything on one thing. Example, C is applying to several schools because she doesn't want to put all her eggs in one basket. At number 17, Rome wasn't built in a day, meaning important things takes time. Example, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day. At number 18, practice makes perfect, meaning the more you practice, the better you become. Example, keep studying daily because practice makes perfect. At number 19, when pigs fly, meaning something that will never happen. Example, he will apologize when the pigs fly. Finally, at number 20, we have break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. To start a conversation in a social settings. Example, the teacher told a joke to break the ice. If you learned something new today, kindly drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified when we drop our next video. Thank you.